this. You can see this. I need to move this. It's quite. You can see that it's quite high. And as I said, I've been doing gym for like from 2022, and it's been on and off all the time. I'm not disciplined at all, and because of that, I'm nowhere. Like I have some biceps, I have some chest, but the overall physique is useless. So for that, I need to be very much disciplined. If you see my condition, it's totally bizarre. If you see it, 1 second, let me go above. You can see this. It's when I'm vacuuming myself, and if I do this is my stomach looking like. This is very much. I need to do like this. The whole bicep condition is good, but that's the thing. You can see this. I need to remove this stomach part, the fat, the thighs, everything I need to remove, and that will take time, that will take very much time, but I'm gonna promise myself that this 2025 band I will get into shape. For that I will do everything. Thank you. Yeah, I look like this right now. I need to be like this. It's like this, like right now. If I make my hair out, it's look like this, like this. Let's see how much I'm gonna do it. I will remove tea completely. I will drink hot water or some green tea or some black tea. I will remove rotis as much as I can and see what will happen. You can also see my this and my this as well. If you go and see this, my this is also very much fatty. So I need to remove this also. Yeah, it will take time, but let's see. Hope for the best. रात के 12:30 बजे जिंजर टी फॉर फैट लॉस पी लो.
Hello guys, it's day one, and what I've done in this day one is that I have not eaten that much. I have eaten, I would say, 80 to 90 grams of protein, and other than that I have eaten poha in carbs, moongfali over it for protein, and I've eaten some besan chilas and some little bit milk tea, very less milk and very less sugar in it, because see the point is that I cannot switch completely to a guy who is not eating everything, because that's extreme. And I think the best line I ever heard in my life is that the fastest way to get your goal is to get slowly. That's the only way. Slowly is the fastest way to get to your goals. Slowly is the only way to get to your goals as fast as possible, right? So that's the fastest way to get slowly. So the thing is that in this day one, I have made my challenge. 22 November, I started it. I will make sure that I will eat moderately, will increase my protein. If I increase bit of carbs more, I will burn out it immediately. So as I was knowing that on 22 November, I need to burn a more. For that excitement, I've done gym for like 5:30 to 6:30, 6:30 to 7:30, and 7:30 to 8:30. 3 hours gym happened that day, and it was fun because I've done legs, I've done I've trained my calves as well, I've trained my abs as well. So it was an overall lower body and core, and I really enjoyed it. The mistake I was doing in the past, that I was doing good gym, like I was pushing my limits. I'm increasing my limit over bench press, where I'm doing 25 kgs each side, so it's like 50, and 20 kg rod is like 70 kg. It's a good amount, and that I was doing 120, 130. But the thing is that I'm not understanding what's my goal is. So the problem is that with people is that if you don't know what your goal is, what will happen is that you will go on anywhere and you end up in nowhere. That's a point I think in my life. So I think it would be better that I work on something. And what's my goal is now is that to remove this, the fat part in my core area, this to this area, chest fat and belly fat, and increase my protein intake, burn out the calories, eat in a disciplined manner, remove tea completely, because now what I will do is, if I will drink coffee, I will take it as like a, okay, I've done it, I will burn it also. That's my motto. So in day one, I have not drink anything, so it was a very good day. I am very sure that in day 2 or day 3 I will cheat a little bit, but that's okay because I'm gonna burn it also. So the points are very clear. I will remove body fat and I will increase my strength, my muscles, and my mind constant discipline making, because I think it will help me in other things, in my coding and in my data science role. So I think that will go hand in hand. So I'm a software engineer by profession, so I use AI a lot, AI ML, and I'm a software engineer with AI ML capabilities. So I think it will help there also as well. To be consistent on something, it needs discipline, right? So that's my goal is, and day one has been very good. I've not done that much cheating. And also I will share you my plan of 6 days of training, and it consists of not one body part exercise, because that's what I was doing previously. I was always training for like one part at one time, like chest day, back day, then bicep day, bi and tri day, then leg day, then someday and someday, this way. But now I think that's really wrong. So I've changed my method, and I will tell you in the upcoming videos what I've changed. The thing is that I've changed is like push day, pull day, and then leg and core day, then again push day, pull day. So in this way I balance out my body. Like if I'm training push day, so I will do chest, but I also do biceps, and I will do some this way around exercise. So yeah, that's the thing, that's the whole point, and it's going to be fun. And देखो, मैं बस इतना कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं कोई बहुत पावरफुल ह्यूमन बीइंग एकदम नहीं बन जाऊँगा, बट मैं बेहतर ज़रूर बनूँगा, मैं बेस्ट ज़रूर बनना चाहूँगा. एंड आई थिंक ये थोड़ा टाइम लेगा, एंड आई एम डैम श्योर कि बहुत टाइम लेगा, क्योंकि मेरी चीक्स एंड ऑल आई नीड टू रिमूव इट, and it will not go in like 1 or 2 days. It will take time, yeah, it will take time, and I need to take care of that, right? So yeah, I'm all in. मैं ऐसा करूँगा कि मैं डे 1 से लेकर डे 6 वाला अपना प्लान डालूँगा यूट्यूब पे एंड इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. और like in day 1 I will put the plan of day 1, that is what you can say as the, because I was not doing it currently in a quick succession, so I would say मैं ये अगले वीक से डालूँगा. अभी मैं बस आपको बातें बताऊँगा जो मैं कर रहा हूँ. लाइक अगर मैं आपको कहूँ तो मैंने किया है लेग एंड कोर डे 1 पे, एंड वो मैंने कैसे किया है कि मैंने स्टार्ट किया है लेग प्रेसेस 4 सेट्स and including warm-ups on that, so I get 6. So after that I've done what you can say as RDL, Romanian deadlift. It was majorly hitting hamstrings, the back of thighs, and glutes, the bumps. And then I have done calf raise, and then yeah, that's it. And then I start doing abs exercises, like doing some hanging raise, then doing some abdominal crunches, cable crunches, then doing some plank, and doing cardio, then cycling and all. I done cycling a lot. And then I also done some sprint walk, kind of like a sideway walk, like I'm going like this. If I tell you, I was going like this on the treadmill, so I was not going like this, I was going in a parallel way. I will show you also in some video that how I'm doing that. So the point is not that what I'm doing, the point is that I'm doing it consistently, and I'm doing it with a perseverance, like I'm doing it constantly. That's the whole game. Remember guys, consistency's byproduct is compound interest. So I'm focusing on consistency, because compound interest will come naturally, exponentially. My growth gonna increase, and I'm gonna be better at something that I'm not right now. That's the whole point. Thank you so much for listening up till here. And yeah, that's it. I know the quality is gonna be not gonna be very great, but eventually it will also got increase, because I know consistency do the trick, right? So yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye. Day one end.